Alright, here we are, man. We had a little situation. We noticed we had to remove the intake. We had to pull the intake out because we did notice we got a little shiny spot right there. We have a leak. We got oil spewing out of here. This is a pan. It's not a valley pan, but it's a flat pan that goes here and then goes under the head somewhat. But we notice here we got some oil. See that right there? So somehow that seal right there, it broke the seal. We got a little bit of oil seeping out of there. That's not good. So we have to take care of that like ASAP. We're racing Sunday, and that's not good. So we're gonna reseal this now again. Oh, I like the way this feels. I love the way that feels, buddy. I'll tell you right now. I like the way that feels. It feels pretty solid and hefty. This is their gasket. I believe this is going to cure the valley pan issues, that's for sure. I like that. I wonder if this matches the template that I have made. I have a template made already. Yeah, I would have to trim it a little bit. But I know that once it's on the car, the size of my porch right there. Yes, sir. So it's 4 pieces, right? Look at that. Can't go wrong, man. You definitely can't go wrong. This is some good stuff. Mancini Racing. 2 pairs. More details. Oh man, look at this. It even comes with the ends, dude. The hold downs. Oh, this is too good, fellas. This is too good. This is just too good to be true. Well, let me not say that. I wouldn't want them raising the prices up. But look at this stuff right here, my man. Without a doubt. These are awesome. Okay, this is awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesomeness. It's time to whip out the good. And we're going to have to open this comes with the screws too, man. Like that. And here it is, man. It's a pretty solid piece. This is a pretty solid piece. Wow, look at this. Come on, there is no way this thing's gonna leak after this. Oh, it has a little bent here. What's up? It's got a little dip right here. Yeah, you see that? Look like it might have fell or something. Hopefully that doesn't cause no problems. I'm definitely gonna let them know though. There's a little dip there. Yeah, wow. That sucks. That sucks. That sucks. But overall, this is a really nice piece, man. This is a really nice piece. This has definitely got to fix the problem. Just this dip here I don't like. It has a dip right here. Like it's not straight. I don't know if you can see it on the GoPro. But right here. Actually, let me use this straight edge. Yeah, that's definitely not good. Check this out. No, that's not good. This here looks awesome. This here looks awesome. Darn it. That really blows. I'm gonna have to take pictures and send it to them. Okay. Well, here we are. Unfortunately, the port size of this valley pan, unfortunately, it's a little shy from my ports. So I guess my ports are almost max wedge ports. So if you see where the tape is at, this is how much we have to remove here. We've been removing. We did the top already. We removed some of this. We made this port a little bigger here on this side. So we got this side knocked out. Now we have to do this side here, because our port, because we ported the heads, the ports are a little bigger than that valley pan that Huge makes. So they give you the option of max wedge ports, which I'm just about at max wedge ports. The problem is the valley pan's not. They give you this gasket. They give you this gasket here so you can trim here. You can trim it here and get your max wedge ports, right? But what don't come to that size is the actual valley pan. So we're taking care of that right now, and that's why we're on a little delay. We got the Dremel. We're using our Dremel here. We're using the bit. We got the drill. So we're actually here trying to knock this out. Maybe we could put this intake today. But there you have it, man. If you get this valley pan and your ports, if you got home ports and they're max wedge ports or a tad smaller, I'll tell you what, right now this pan is shy 3/16 maybe. It's a little shy on a port, so a little bit more work, but we will definitely have this together by today. we have our first set of gaskets laid down. We're actually holding it down with a little bit of sticky stuff so they don't move. So we're letting that cure a little bit. But we're about ready to put the pan on there, the valley pan. We're gonna actually put a bead of rice stuff here. I'm gonna put a bead of rice stuff here, and I may go along the bottom of this here, just to be on the safe side. A nice light coat under here. That way when that valley pan's on there, it seals this whole thing. And we're gonna try it. We're gonna try that. I mean, it's a new product. Not new to me. I don't know if anybody else have used it. I got on the Facebook page on the 500, and I asked the question. Nobody used it. Everybody uses different stuff. So we're gonna see what happens with this. We'll be the first ones to try this out if nobody else have tried it. I'll definitely share the information, and I'll see if we have no leaks.